So what are you hoping to get from this?
I'm hoping to get more volume.
Like an afro?
I have not gotten my hair cut since before we left on this trip. Everybody else has had their hair cut, but I have not had my hair cut. I've been doing lots of research, trying to use the curly girl method because see all these curls, I love them. So I've like cut out all the sulfates in my shampoo and the silicones and all the stuff that's in most shampoos, and I've been doing like a style my hair when it's soaking wet in the shower with like just like a curly girl lotion kind of thing to kind of lock in all the moisture that I can. And today I am gonna go and get my first DevaCut. I'm very, very excited. Hopefully they'll let me film and you can kind of see the transformation. I don't have like a ton of hair. I'll have Brian kind of show you like a lot of the girls that I've watched the videos of, but what's there is not the best cut for keeping my hair curly because it's really flat on top and not everything curls and it just kind of gets wavy and frizzy. And so we're gonna go and get the DevaCut today and we'll see if it makes a difference.
Okay, so you want to see all of the hair?
Let's see all the hair.
All of the hair.
All of the hair. Kind of like the before.
Yeah.
So we'll do a side view of the curls, the other side view of the curls. And there's definitely curl definition here. Like, I have curly hair. There's no kinds of thing about that. But you can see the back. The back kind of loses it in here because there's no like layers in here. And so with the DevaCut, they dry cut your hair, so my hair needs to get dry in a little bit more. But when you go, they tell you to make sure it's dry when you come because they do a dry cut on it, which I've never had done. And they said don't put any product in it. So I put just the tiniest little bit of the lotion at the end just to make it so it wasn't a frizz ball, but not the amount I normally use. So
what are you hoping to get from this?
I'm hoping to get more volume.
Like an afro?
No, I want this to be like bigger and
like,
more curly.
Like 80s hair?
Yes, like 80s hair. You'll see, if you watch these videos, most girls with curly hair, they don't want the like flat across your head kind of feel because you want to have your curls. I mean, a lot of people when they dry it, they'll put like clips in their hair so that there's more volume up here when it's drying, because the way it is, if it just is flat up here, then you just get like big poof down here and you look like Bozo the Clown. I just want volume everywhere. I want big hair, but I want it to be defined curls too. So that's what I'm hoping for today, that she cuts it and I just get a lot more curl in here instead of the kind of flatness that's there.
Yep. Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Go do it.
Yay. Okay, we're here. My hair is like 97% dry. But see what she can do and make it look curlier. So she was saying she's not going to take off too much of my length because I don't have very many split ends. So that's good.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah, a little bit of the length.
Okay.
And even you up in the back.
Alrighty.
Get it going up a little bit more. So right here, I like this through here, but I kind of want to get rid of this little bubble down.
Okay. And then we're going to get some volume on the top. And then we'll come back maybe on Tuesday and deal with the color of my hair because it's a little too gold, a little too brassy, and there's a lot of gray in there.
This is the buildup buster.
Okay, and this is getting rid of buildup from shampoos and products and
It gets rid
water.
of buildup from other products and things like that. Yeah, water. And like I said, anything that is picked up, I mean, anything in the environment, sometimes even your, being out in the air, you know, going through the tunnel with the windows open, you're gonna get crap in your hair.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is to get all of it out and not be stripping your hair.
The buildup buster is probably a good one for me to get because we don't ever know what our water is when we're pulling into the different RV parks and what's available in terms of the water. And I only wash my hair once a week anyway, but if I have to wash it when we're at a place that has questionable water, this will be a good thing to help get all of that stuff out of my hair. Alright, we're going under the dryer. Alright, so under the dryer. Don't know if this is gonna do, like, dry my hair the way it should. Because I don't ever put any heat on my hair. We'll see what happens. Okay.
And there we go. Curly, curly, curly. Now,
There we go. Alrighty. So now you see it in the sunlight. Definitely got a better shape than it had before. We'll see how it looks when I style it tomorrow or Sunday or whenever I do it. But yeah, it's nice. You don't have to take any of the length off. I think we're gonna come back on Tuesday and get the color situated because it's a little brassy. I haven't had it colored in over a year. So get that figured out on Tuesday. Part 2 of Erin's hair makeover.